How to find deleted friends on Snapchat without username. So first is you have to go to your Snapchat application and it will lead you here to your camera. Now on the left upper part, you will see your profile icon, then tap on that and scroll. And here it will look like this. And then on the upper right, you will see the settings icon. You have to tap on that. And I want you to scroll all the way down up until you see my data, just above the log out button. So just tap on my data and it will actually take time. So here it will look like this. So all you have to do is to scroll all the way down, and it will actually ask for your email address where they could send the file for these check items here, your search history, your terms history, and many more, including the list of your deleted friends. And here you have to confirm your email. Just confirm it there, and let's say you have a date range for that, so let's say for the last 30 days, and then just tap on submit request. Now here on submit request, they will actually give you a copy to your data. Before they will give you a copy of your data, they will ask again for your username, your Snapchat username, and your password to confirm everything. Then all you have to do is to go to that email that you have input there, and they will give you a file and a list of your deleted friends on Snapchat. So basically that is how you find deleted friends on Snapchat without username. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.